So now that you have learned how to make your beautiful interactive Google Slides, it is time to share them with the world. So, first way to share it, and this is where we can make sure that only the right people can edit it. So, I'm going to click this yellow orange share button up at the top, and I want to make sure that Maddie can work on this slide with me. So I'm going to type in Maddie's name so I can make sure that Maddie has access to my slides and she can edit them as well. So I'm going to make sure next to Maddie's name, it says editor. If I didn't trust Maddie, but I want Maddie to see it, just Maddie, and I want it to go to her inbox, I'm going to change her to viewer. If I want Maddie's feedback, but I don't want Maddie to be able to change what I can do, I can change her to commenter. Okay, but we want Maddie to be able to edit. So I'm going to say editor. So I also have the option to put a little note here where it says notify people. So I would write, hey Maddie, when you get a chance, can you please check out the slides? Thanks, Lily. And then I know that my slides are going to pop up in Maddie's inbox. So she has immediate access through her email. She's going to get a notification and within her Google Drive itself. Okay. However, I don't know how to tell you guys this, but you can't always trust your students, right? So say I want to have my students be able to see my slides for the day. Okay, so here's my lesson. I want them to be able to get some notes from it. This was a Pear Deck, so probably not the best example, but it's what I have open right now. Okay, so I want them to be able to access these Google Slides. I'm going to come up to share, and it is restricted. So this is the automatic default setting. So I have to change that before people can see it. So I'm going to go to restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Now here's the key. Make sure when you put anyone with the link, they are viewers. Okay. If you type in anyone with the link can edit, then any kid can get on my document and change it and mess it up for the whole class, or any person on the internet can do that. So make sure that you, or if you just want to keep it with Bartholomew County School Corporation so parents can't see it, I typically make it as anyone so they can log in on any device. And then I can upload to, for example, my team homework page. So Q4 Veritas homework page. I'm going to come over and I'm going to say, hey guys, check out these. Check out the slides from today's lesson. Then I'm going to link my word slides. We've worked on that in the last one. You know what to do. So I'm going to highlight my words, come up and click my link, and paste it in. Oops, I did not copy that. It's still on the YouTube example. So let's go back to my science and the news, copy my link, come back, highlight, and link it in. So that way my kids can now see my lesson. Another way to do that, if I don't want it on my homework page, but I want to embed it on It's Learning, I'm going to create a title block. So today's slide deck. So maybe you use slides every day and you have your information. So if I'm linking to today's slide deck, I can, again, copy and paste the link into It's Learning, or there's this neat feature called Embed. And so since this is your guys' GEM course, I'm going to go up to my GEM account. My link is anyone at BCSC can view. I'm going to copy my link and go back to my It's Learning page and click this little circle with the two, sorry, my Apple Watch is going up, with the two circles in bed. I don't really know what to call that one. Two triangles. And I'm going to paste my code in. Then I'm going to insert